chairman, I have to work with the consensus in the community on that.
So you have any dream of changing Ghana's constitution to go for a third time?
No, sir. It's completely out of the question. Completely out of the question. 7th January 2025. Goodbye, Ghana. Thank you. Probably end up in TV. Thank you very much.
Now, Monsieur le Président, vous savez qu'il y a beaucoup de Maliens et puis beaucoup de Guinéens ici. Un mot pour les peuples guinéens.
Vous êtes là depuis longtemps parmi nous. Vous êtes nos amis, nos frères, nos sœurs, nos voisins. Ce que la CEDEAO cherche à faire dans vos pays, c'est pas pour aliéner ou pour faire des ennemis du peuple de la Guinée ou du Mali, mais c'est pour insister sur les valeurs démocratiques qui réunissent la communauté CEDEAO. Et on veut qu'aussitôt que possible, il y a un retour à la légitimité démocratique dans la Guinée aussi bien que Mali. Et que ça nous permet de renforcer les liens parmi tous les peuples de la CEDEAO, y compris les Ghanéens, les Guinéens, les Maliens. On ne sera jamais des ennemis, on sera toujours des amis, des frères, surtout les Ghana, les Guinées, les Mali. C'était une union qui a été désignée tout au début de notre indépendance. Non, on est très fiers de cet lien. Et on va faire toutes nos possibilités pour renforcer ces liens et de voir comment on va sortir de la crise qui se déroule dans ces pays actuellement.
D'accord. À la prochaine fois, on va discuter tout ça en français.
D'accord. Surtout que vous parlez français. Voilà. Merci beaucoup, Mr. Adinkra Yadase.
Yeah, that's right.
One more time, we'll feed it, so that's Papa.
That's right. Yes, Andy, thank you so much. We have me know your program be ada say oba your born national anthem you we na born national anthem ni we and you know about call your pharmacists professional pharmacists say or the national anthem no na jawo kwan enti
my goodness there's some pay for me one by so me you
exactly
so for what commissioner Ashanti commissioner Simon Mensa, that's
right
and famous
Chairman one.
Want to me worldwide phenomenon. Worldwide phenomenon. You just take your thing and Google what's going on in America or Britain or whatever. We're not, and we cannot be isolated. We're part of the global system. So, but nevertheless, there are things we can do to try and mitigate them. But those are the things that Obatampa program, to find a way of boosting domestic production so we can mitigate our dependence on imports and international trade flows.
Now let me come back to Ashanti region and deal with the KMA issues. Now KMA members of the assembly, if you say KMA ever dead, I bind your worker in the more or less say Oma ne wapano say be Omer KMA krana ya de KVD be at all.
No, they can't buy.
No, they can't buy.
I don't understand the connection. No, they can't buy.
No, they can't buy.
Yes, I don't know they can't buy the mismatches because and so my mom, my friend, yeah, but he's going to be a victim of the past. I don't think that's fair.
Okay.
And the assembly for the number not between him. Says a can was some we came. Mene Butcher or local government minister can was to look into it. Near me proper brief. How come the debt? Yeah. Because you many occasions say debt, so-called debts, no. The figures don't add up. Yes, we've seen it in many areas of national life, in the energy sector, in the rail, in several areas. To look into it, a genuine
but you encourage the assembly members to go and endorse.
So I don't see how and that they're going to hold up the Kumasi getting a proper executive because of the past. I don't think that is fair. And I said blackmail will be an album, right? We shouldn't. That isn't the way we should go about things.
Yeah.
I think what they need to get from him when he comes before them, right from the beginning, a commitment to deal with it.
Yeah,
that would be the proper way to go. If they feel he's worthy of confirmation, let him make it clear to them. So, what a personal bar. Number one item on the agenda is about if came what pequire on their buy no money that would be a more with respect. I say this with respect, responsible way to go about it, rather than to say to give us this ultimatum. Yeah, more than say I can say near me to me and say a genuine debtor or as obey a brief in the due course of time. The brief no bar a dear woman. There's many finance minister become was everyone was said because I come a KMA car.
Yeah.
And see a say why the Gucci became so to be car. Yes, a KMA car.
Yeah. We
have to find out how KMA couldn't pay.
Yeah.
What happened?
Yeah.
Because as I know, Baby procure services, no. Now when you so much me yeah, the service no bad, no what now want to me and procure, want to me service no bad, want to me. So beside then a bar man is a canvas. There are a lot of issues to be discussed, but I'm making a firm appeal to the assemblymen, and I know several of the people I want to war Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly, very responsible people, people who have the welfare of Kumasi at heart. Feels that the more productive way in which we are dealing with problem. Let's confirm my nominee. He's a popular nominee.
Yeah.
The Bank Kumasi last 2 or 4 days, maybe I'm a committee and somebody and another one what is on the buyer. I've heard it from several different quarters. He's a popular nominee. Now, he has a capacity to do the work. Until he confirmed nothing so on the for assembly presiding the economic committee.